Look at that.
Yeah.
Will you stop farting on the camera? Hey.
What? What, Daddy? What, Daddy? No! Do again.
I'm gonna shoot up.
Do again.
Okay.
Maddie, what are you doing, Maddie? You popping crackers?
What are you doing?
Ow. My eyes.
Oh,
Look,
gee,
Majesty. What
are
you
popping
doing?
firecrackers?
Majesty, look at Mama. What you doing?
I know the do again. I don't want.
Okay.
What are you doing out here? What you doing out here with your daddy?
I just a fireworks.
Y'all popping fireworks with your daddy?
Yeah, I just fun.
You doing a big one?
Whoa!
Woo.
One more.
You got more than one more?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
When you get older, you gonna pop some. You gonna do it when you get older.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Maddie?
Yeah.
Ready, Maddie, Matt?
Yeah. I close my eyes.
Don't close your eyes.
Close your eyes, you ain't gonna see.
You're not gonna see. Okay.
Whoa.
Look, Maddie, there's some over there. Look up. Look.
Whoa.
See that?
Yeah.
You got our show in it? Or this show? No. Oh, you want me to hold it? I'm sorry, Bubba.
There you go. There's two more.
You got two more? Can you hold that one?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Let me see what you got in your hand, Pyromaniac.
What is that, a big firework?
Yeah. The fireworks.
Yeah.
It's a big firework?
Yeah.
Is that your granny on the porch?
Yes.
Say, Granny, look it. Say, Granny.
Ooh, that motherfucker gonna fly right where this nigga motherfucker.
You see that one?
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, look, Matt, you see it?
I want him.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Diddy, what you want? On the patio, you can't see it. Somebody finna get set on fire.
You stupid.
Is it over?
No, KT.
Whoa, man,
wait,
that was a big one.
I know. You
No,
said
KT ain't the one doing it this time.
them little pieces right there,
She
huh?
said, nice.
You heard them little pieces. Here, Mama.